One time, Pablo Picasso met a lady and she said, "Well, can you draw something for me on this piece of paper?" So he said, "Why not?" And then he drew some kind of an art, and then she said, "Wow, it's amazing." And Picasso said, "I'm signing it below and you just take it with you." And then the lady said, "But you drew it within 10 seconds. And how do I know it is of value?" Pablo Picasso said, "You go and show it to anybody who's an expert in art, you will get at least $1 million for this." So the lady went, and then she actually found that that particular value was very huge. And she came and met Picasso and she said, "Well, in 10 seconds, you could draw something which costs $1 million. It's astonishing. Can you teach me also so that I can on my own draw many things and sell things at that value?" Picasso said, "You saw me draw that masterpiece in 10 seconds. But to be able to create a masterpiece in 10 seconds, I practiced for 30 years. And therefore, what you saw is the result of those 30 years. And therefore, understand the value of dedication, of hard work, of sincerity, of committing oneself to a task, to be resilient, to not give up, and to ultimately remain focused till the vision is accomplished. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिर एकेह कुरुनंदन बहुशाखा अनंतश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम. Those who are on this path are resolute in purpose and their path is one. Therefore, we have to remain focused and determined on this path of spirituality so that all kinds of distractions do not take us away from the real goal.